Forex trading has become a popular way to earn money online, with millions of people around the world getting involved every day. But what is it about Forex that makes it so appealing, and can it really be a viable option for those looking to make some extra cash online? In this video, we're going to take a closer look at Forex trading, the challenges that beginners face, and some valuable tips to get you started on the right foot. When it comes to Forex trading, one of the biggest challenges that beginners face is market volatility. The Forex market is known for its unpredictability, and prices can fluctuate rapidly, making it difficult for new traders to keep up. This can lead to confusion, frustration, and ultimately, financial losses. Another common challenge that beginners face is a lack of knowledge. Forex trading involves a lot of complex terminology and concepts, and without a solid understanding of how it works, it's easy to get lost. This can lead to impulsive decisions and a higher risk of making costly mistakes. Many beginners also struggle with developing a trading strategy that works for them. With so many different approaches and techniques out there, it can be overwhelming to decide which one to use. This can lead to a lot of trial and error, which can be both time-consuming and costly. Finally, emotional control is a major challenge that many beginners face. It's natural to feel emotional when it comes to our money, and Forex trading can be a roller coaster of ups and downs. But making impulsive decisions based on emotions can be disastrous for your trading account. So, how does Forex trading actually work? In simple terms, Forex trading involves buying and selling currencies on the foreign exchange market. You're essentially betting on the value of one currency against another, with the goal of making a profit. For example, if you think the value of the euro is going to increase against the US dollar, you would buy euros and sell dollars. As a beginner, it's essential to understand some key terminology, such as pips, leverage, and margin. Pips are the smallest units of price movement. Leverage is the amount of money you're allowed to borrow to trade, and margin is the amount of money you need to put up to open a trade. When it comes to getting started with Forex trading, one of the most important things you can do is set clear goals and risk management strategies. This will help you stay focused, avoid impulsive decisions, and minimize your losses. You should also educate yourself on the different types of trading accounts, such as demo, micro, and standard accounts, and choose the one that best suits your needs. One of the most impactful tips I can give to beginners is to focus on one currency pair at a time. This will help you develop a deeper understanding of the market and reduce the amount of information you need to keep track of. By focusing on one pair, you'll be able to identify patterns and trends more easily and make more informed trading decisions. Another key tip is to keep your expectations realistic. Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's unlikely you'll make a fortune overnight. Set realistic targets and be patient with your progress. You should also avoid over-leveraging your account, as this can lead to significant losses if the market moves against you. Developing a consistent trading routine is also crucial for success in Forex trading. This means setting aside dedicated time to analyze the market, review your trades, and adjust your strategy as needed. By staying consistent, you'll be able to identify patterns and trends more easily and make more informed trading decisions. In this video, we've covered the basics of Forex trading, the challenges that beginners face, and some valuable tips to get you started on the right foot. Remember, Forex trading is a journey that requires patience, discipline, and practice. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or losses. Instead, use them as an opportunity to learn and improve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on trading strategies and tips for beginners.